My current setup is like almost nice, but really messy and just, kind of a hot mess. I think it's safe to say that I have a lot of clothes, probably more than any one person can wear. And I really want to slim that down and find the items that I truly love. A lot of items you guys have probably never even seen, but yet I still hold on to these items and I really want to live more simply. At least just have things be cleaner and neater and organized. I'm expecting this video to take a really long time to make, but I hope you stick around for the journey. I'll stop rambling and trying on random accessories and let's get going. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. These are all of my tops. Actually, let me search the house and look for tops because I think this is a lie. I don't actually hang my stuff up. There you go, party for everybody. And the last of the tops from the laundry. Whew, I'm out of breath. Why? Not one of those people that's going to take everything off of all the racks because this is just shirts. We still have dresses, rompers, sweatshirts, jackets, pants, skirts. We have this new oversized shirt from Current Mood. I'm just gonna keep this. You know what? I'm gonna try the tops on because that's the only way to really know.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go now, now? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away.
This is a mix of laundry, workout clothes, pajamas, sweatpants, pretty much everything that was in a drawer.
Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay.
While my other camera charges, let's do a hat intermission.
Let me go now, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Out of control, Oh, it overflows. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. It's exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah.
Let's take a quick break from our very long clothing montage and focus on shoes. My current setup is like almost nice, but really messy and just, kind of a hot mess. Not including these. I don't want to get into these right now. I've been trying to sell them and it's not working. Some were just super worn down, so I tossed those, but these are the 6 pairs that I am purging, getting rid of and hoping they find a new home. Most of these I'm just getting rid of because they are the wrong size completely. They were either gifted to me and they just didn't fit, or I bought them online and was too lazy to return them on time. Oh, and before I show you the after, I almost forgot. Yes, I did end up organizing my skirts and shorts really quickly. I was able to cut those items in half. As you can see, getting rid of a lot here. Exciting as that was, now we can finally see the organization porn we've been waiting for. We got shoes organized in row from lightest to darkest. The first row being my more pricey buys, followed by boot-like kind of shoes. I know that some are like technically a sneaker boot. Under that, we have my everyday sneakers, which yes, are heavily worn and dirty, but that's just a sign of a good shoe. And the bottom row features my heels. We got our jackets organized and color coordinated. We feeling an aesthetic yet? I don't know. I've never been able to organize my closet. I'm really trying to make some moves here. We also have all of my tops in a rainbow descending order. And of course, pants also in some kind of a rainbow order. They're kind of harder to organize. And finally, dresses, again in the same kind of color coordinated rainbow order. If you haven't noticed by now, all of my racks are the same, all of my hangers are the same. Having mismatching hangers is a very simple way of looking disorganized, so this is an easy little cheat. All of the clothing racks I built myself, and the hangers I recently purchased from Amazon. But honestly, I'm still in the process of redesigning my entire closet, so I don't have like a full transformation for you. Today's video is mainly just the clean out portion of this, but I hope you still enjoyed. Guys, this has been a mission. It's officially day 4 of closet clean out. I've started editing the video and I realized I lost the majority of the try-on clips of the tops and jackets. If you're watching this and you're like, what? That's not all your tops. I know, but I'd rather poke my own eye out than film me trying on all my tops again. But I hope that you still enjoyed today's video. I hope that it inspired you to clean out your closet. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like because it took me a long time to make, so it helps my channel, and I would very much appreciate it if you just like this video. If you liked it, of course. If you didn't, you can thumbs it down, but that would suck. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe now. Why am I doing the like for that? I am so out of it. Goodbye!